Introducing U.S. Pool Supplies Octopus Handheld Pool Vacuum Cleaner Stick. The cordless and rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner stick is designed for quick and efficient debris removal. The powerful suction and ultra-fine filtration enable it to deliver a superior pool and spa cleaning performance. The patented magnetic drive design and an IPX8 waterproof switch reduce the energy loss of the machine by 50% during operation, which improves and extends the working time. 2 interchangeable vacuum heads. Attach and use the brush vacuum head for scrubbing the debris field as it cleans and sucks away the debris. The wheel vacuum head allows easy debris and grime removal from hard-to-reach areas like the angles of pool steps, corners, and around ladders. After the high-power battery is fully charged, the cleaner will operate for 60 minutes. It's safe for all pool types. It also works excellent in above-ground and in-ground swimming pools, and is safe for use in vinyl-lined pools as well. Make a splash today with U.S. Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.